guys, so today is Monday and it is the last week of school for me. Okay, before you ask, I have no idea what that is, so just ignore it, I guess. It's now 8:20. I just got up and brushed my teeth. Okay, so it probably looks like absolutely nothing has changed, but it is now 8:55. This definitely isn't how I thought I was gonna finish my sophomore year of high school. But here we are, you know, we just make the most of it. So it's 9 o'clock exactly right now. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so that took a little bit longer than expected. It's now 10:55, but I finished this project. This was my project. Okay, so now I'm just gonna press turn in. Yes, I'm officially done with English. So it is now 12:26. I went on my phone for like a half hour maybe, and then I did some research for my math project. Okay, so it is now actually 2:13. I think I'm going to keep working on my math project. I really want to finish that by today, so hopefully I can do that. Okay, yeah, hi. So I just realized I haven't filmed since yesterday at this time. It's already Tuesday and it's 12:16. I remembered because I'm actually about to submit the math project that I was talking about. So it looks like this. All these lines are made out of math equations. But anyway, I'm getting ready to now submit it. Ooh, why am I so red? Hello? Yay! I'm so excited. School is ending. I only have 3 classes left. Hi guys, so it is now 8:16. It's still bright outside, but like barely. So my family and I are going on a walk. I have to track the walk on my phone. Hi guys, I'm back. It is now Wednesday morning. Since it's a Wednesday, of course, my video is going up. Right now it is 9:28. I think I'll probably do schoolwork until like 9:55. Now it is 9:58, so I'm just going to reply to DMs. So, hi guys, so it's 11:16 right now. I just have to rant for a second. Literally on this video, my comments were turned off for like 20 minutes. It limits the growth of it so much. My gym teacher actually just posted that we have a gym Google Meet. Okay, so I'm in my Google Meet right now. We're just talking about random stuff. My Google Meet is ending soon. It's been like a half hour. I want to like spruce up the vlog. I feel like it's so boring because I'm always just sitting in my room at my desk. I don't really know what I do besides that. Like honestly, not much. I just finished my lecture, so now I'm going to go, and I don't know if you guys know what Castle Learning is, but it's like a quiz kind of. I think I got a 21 out of 24 on that, so not the best way to end chem, but like, it's okay. Basically now, I'm going on a walk because I still need to do that for school for gyms. Hi! And I'm just in my Crocs, you know, as we do. Alright, so I just got back from my walk, so I'm actually going to get started on my French project. Right. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you guys what it's looking like so far. Honestly, it looks like a 5th grade project, not even gonna lie. It's like all these different slides. So right now I have 2 more to go. So I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, I'm back. So I just took a shower. I'm going to try to finish school today. And then I got a package from Aerie yesterday, so I want to unbox it for you guys. So I'm just going to press turn in. And we're done with French. Okay, so I'm about to submit fitness. So I'm just going to turn in, and I'm done with gym. Now I don't have any schoolwork at all to do before 12:55 when I have my Kahoot. I'm going to unbox my aerie package. Here is the inside. The first thing that I got was this bralette. So it's just a black halter. Then I just got the exact same thing in white. I remember all this stuff was on sale, I'm pretty sure. So I think it was just $20, not $40. I was like,
I think I would remember if I spent $80 on bralettes. Hello.
The next thing that I got was this bathing suit. It's just like in this style. So it's like a light-ish blue and then dark blue. I feel like this is really cute. And this isn't gonna be a try on just because I don't know why I would try this stuff on. The next thing that I got was this bathing suit, and I'm obsessed with this one. It's this super pretty blue color, and then it has like this pattern thing, and then it has these gold crosses like in the middle of it, and I feel like it's so cute. The bottoms that were in the same pattern were high-waisted. This one said that it would also go with it, and it's like this pattern, so I really like these actually. Okay, update. Everything is like a war zone in the background, but literally everything fits so amazing. I'm actually like wearing one of the bralettes right now because they're so comfortable. Like, hello. Was very pleased with the order, but what else could I expect from Aerie? Right now I am running a little bit late for my orchestra Google Meet, which is at 12, and it's 12:01 right now. Oh, that was so cute. We just like talked a little bit about the end of the year. Okay, hey everyone. You see it in my computer screen, but I am live right now, so this is something I like to do. Oh, everyone's saying hi. Okay, hi, I'll name everyone. Summer, Calissa, Brianna, get to, well, I'm so confused. What's going on? Mila. This is like stressful. Oh my god. What the heck? I'm so excited for the vlog. Yes. Here is a view of the Kahoot.
Your AP definitely wasn't in the class.
Bruh.
Guys, welcome back out first.
So,
thank you. Have a good summer. I'm done with chem. Oh my god. Okay, hi guys, it's Friday at 2, and I'm literally still like wearing my pajama shirt, but that's because this morning I had to deal with a bunch of like personal things. I am going to get ready because my sister is taking graduation pictures at our beach. I'm just gonna go get dressed. Alright, that took a hot minute. Oh, it smells like makeup in here. It smells so bad. I'm going to water pick. Okay, I love this bendy tripod thing. I can like grasp it around my tissue box.
I need a tissue.
Well, you can't get a tissue right now.
Okay. Sorry.
I'm like so bad at curling my eyelashes. Like, I don't know if this is how it's supposed to look. Questionable. This is like problematic. This eye like needs therapy. Hello? Okay, well, I guess that's what we're working with. Okay, so here is the final look. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go to the beach. Is this gonna focus or... Hi guys, so I'm at the beach now, and we're about to take pictures. But yeah, it's very noisy right now, so we were out here taking pictures, and guess who showed up?
One comes down.
Hi guys, so I decided to ditch my family. Now I'm with my friends, and we're just gonna like walk to our respective homes. This off. It's actually Saturday right now. I didn't vlog for basically the entire rest of Friday. We have a lot of like family stuff going on right now, but I just wanted to come and show you guys what my friends got me. Here's the bag. It's literally so cute. It has like pandas on it and stuff. So here is Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This is kind of like an inside joke, but this is my favorite type of chocolate. So then I have Sour Patch Kids, and then there's another bag. So I got 2 of these. I got this, I think it's a beach towel, which is like in preparation for this summer. Oh wait, maybe I should have opened, I think this is a card. That's awkward. Okay, this is like a personal letter, so I'm not gonna read it. These panda socks. I've literally never like had a bath bomb before. And there's actually a bunch in here. I think there's one more. Yes, this, I actually need this so bad. Look, it's a little like panda succulent thing. That's so adorable. Oh my god. Okay, and then the last thing in here, oh my god. They literally bought us a A giant peach, hello? Wait, that's so fun. I literally have the best friends ever. Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I finished school basically, and I'm so satisfied with that. For like 4 days, it was just clips of me sitting at my desk doing work, so that was probably not entertaining, but I hope that you guys enjoyed anyway. Also, this is a Friday upload, as you guys probably noticed. We are probably going to be doing a lot more Friday uploads during the summer. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.